Everybody is talented. Then why 97% people are unable to convert their talent into performance? Answer is, they are directionless. Amitabh Psychology's razor-sharp direction empowers individuals to achieve psychological, financial and spiritual independence through human psychology. We offer a 360-degree approach to all types counseling, from positive parenting to career counseling to relationship counseling to performance improvement coaching. Our innovative mental spa provides permanent relief to all types of psychological problems such as stress, anxiety, depression, suicide tendencies, etc. Our IGNU Psychology online tutorials cover all the subjects of first and second year Master Degree Psychology or MAPC. Gain hands-on experience through our Psychology internship program in counseling, clinical and industrial vertical. Prepare for your PhD entrance with our focused UGC NET PhD entrance guidance program. And for the bold dreamers, if you want to start your own clinic or organization in psychology field, then there's Earth, a comprehensive one-year premium program for radical transformation. Join Amitabh Psychology to have extraordinary journey of self-discovery, empowerment and financial independence.